Give me space. A rocket's going to take flight. Is this a Ferrari? Correct me if I'm wrong. Is this a Ferrari? I'm not sure. Is that an Audi? Okay guys, welcome to another video. It's gonna be my first moto vlog. Okay, so what are we gonna do today? We are going to BGC later tonight, but before that I am going to go to a friend's house. I'm gonna be going through the skyway. A newly built connector skyway going to España from C3. So we're gonna try that. Hopefully you guys enjoy. I've been seeing a lot of moto vloggers recently, especially on Facebook, so why not try it myself? You know, I have been streaming, I have been doing stuff that requires entertaining people online, so it's really the same, it's practically the same. It's just gonna be in video format rather than streaming on Twitch, which is kinda easier. I don't know. This is what I like about moto vlogging. No one can fucking hear me, even though I'm exposed in the open. It's so fun to ride in the morning, especially when there is no people. I would prefer riding at night. I just love the morning because you can see shit without needing lights or whatnot. No hands. Yeah, we are back. We are near the skyway now. We are in C3. No hands. I just love doing no hands. Makes me look cool. May nakita ko nagmamotros ako no hands. Pero angas ng tignan. Boom! Boom! Bye! So I love being in a motorcycle, you know, you don't have to deal with traffic most of the time. You can make scene at any time. Depends on the place, because some places you're not allowed to have make scene it, or it's very traffic jammed, so you can't make scene it talaga. Philippine traffic is the best. You can't spell Philippines without traffic. I'm just kidding, guys. Here we're at the skyway now. Yeah, RFID stickers are needed, especially today because the gas lane is always full. The gas lane is always so long. That's what she said. Downshift? No hands? Can I no hand downshift this bitch? I won't try. No hands, baby. Downshift. Stop right here. Yeah, we're almost near to my destination. I'm just gonna be going to my friend's house first before we go to BGC. Oh my god, the traffic in BGC is unreal. Traffic is just unreal, you guys. So yung tawag naman, that's what you call manual horn. You use your fucking mouth. Overtake. Easy shit. Downshift. Riding so fun. And we're back, guys. Welcome to Philippine traffic. We're gonna go now to BGC. See, most people go on 3. They just can't wait to the stoplight. For some reason, people here are wild. They just can't wait 3 fucking seconds, you know. You just need to be in a hurry all the time. So there's so more rides and IRL stuff that I'm gonna be doing. So Woo! Sakto, I'm also gonna turn left. Traffic was really jamming at that part. So I took a little detour. Hopefully I took the right way. Please don't rain. I don't want to drive in the rain. It's hard to drive in the rain. Yes. Oh, no jeep sa pa. No hands. Ah, putang ina. So I have a couple of events coming up for me to vlog. I have Conquest, but before that, on Monday, I will be going to have a long ride with my friend. We're gonna be going to Bataan. After that, where am I gonna go? Yeah, after that's Conquest. After that, I'm gonna have another ride with my homies to Marilake. Back to Marilake. I've been there once, and I'm gonna go there again, but this time, I've invited my friends. Yeah, so I'm supposed to go left, and I'm on the right lane. This is so stupid of me. Hopefully, I can make a left here. If I can't, then I go straight, then there's no problem. Now, I think we are near BGC now. I can see where we are, and I remember this place, not exactly though. So I think we are near BGC, and this is where it gets really fun. By fun, I mean we get stuck in traffic for 30 minutes. So yeah, so fun. Welcome to the Philippines. Tangina. Alright, we are going to this flyover to BGC. A fucking Ferrari. Is this a Ferrari? Correct me if I'm wrong. Is this a Ferrari? I'm not sure. So I saw a horse, and the horse means Ferrari, doesn't it? What the fuck does it mean? Enforcers keeping the streets not confusing, because it does get confusing sometimes. So I'm gonna turn right here.
Please start your car. Open it.
Got my feet resting over here. I don't need the brakes anyway. Fuck the brakes. Be right back. Gonna join you guys after I do my stuff here. I'm already parked. Yeah, see you guys later. Just a quick meeting or a quick errand here at BGC, and now we're on the way home. Look, oh no, we're not gonna make tollway. Two phones right now. One is in my pocket and one is here. I'm using it from Google Maps. Might switch them up so that I can save more battery in both batteries. I mean in both phones. So woo! Yeah. Roller coaster, baby. It's right turn. Whoop! We just fit right in. Hopefully the wind noise doesn't bother you guys. Yeah, I'm supposed to go up here. Now the traffic is in the other way. Wow. Saan niyo ako? Oh, can I fit? That's what she said. Of course you can fit. Ah, see? That's why motorcycles are much better here in the Philippines than cars. For this exact moment, look. And the front end's here. And the front end's here. Yeah, it was a great run. Is that? What kind of car is that? Is that an Audi? It's so close to the ground. Look. What kind of fuck? It's a nice ride, dude. Nice ride, dude. I don't know much about cars, but I do like how they look and appreciate, you know, design and styling. I don't know much about them, like their engines and stuff. You can't not appreciate a good looking car or a good sounding car. You can go. I don't want a lane split. I'm lazy. I'll just sit here. JK, I lied. I'm doing it. What's on? There we go. What's on with you? Sige. Oh. Don't think they can't hear me. If they could, oh my god, they'd fucking challenge me to a fucking fist fight. Give me space. A rocket's going to take flight. Kasya ba ako? Kasya ka, kumasya ka. Yan. Kasya. Ito ba? Kasya ba ako? Kasya ka. Kasya. Ito ba? Kasya? No, hindi na. I look so good in that GoPro. I also look good with the helmet. You guys look at me. You guys aren't used to seeing me on the helmet, aren't you guys? Uy! Bunti ka na kayo! Eh, sinasabi ko. Aww. Is this even allowed? No hands. How far can I no hands this bitch? How far? How far? Near home, guys. There's not really much to say. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hit a like and also subscribe, share with your friends. This is gonna be a new exciting way of content. I will still stream, but I don't know when because my schedule is fucked up. Yeah, so as much as possible I'll try to push more videos so I can make more content out of my happenings in life. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye bye.